Free website promotion, why not? Can you ever avail of free website promotion? Is that even feasible? Of course, yes. Nowadays, your baby website can amass huge traffic in no time thanks to free website promotion. How does this free website promotion go anyway? What are things to be done? 1. Enlist your website. Look for the hottest internet directories and enlist your site there. This is the easiest and most effective free website promotion tactic. Start with this step and the rest of the good things will follow. Just don't forget to prep your website and make it all spruced up for a higher chance to get accepted in your directory of choice. 2. Know your forums. One reason why forums are created is for free website promotion for everyone. Log in, post actively, let them know about your site in every post and you attract instant visitors right there. 3. Write a press release. Release your writing prowess and start up a press release that advertises your site. This is a free website promotion tactic that you can do anytime. Type a brief paragraph or two and email it to your friends, colleagues, internet e-zines, newspapers and other media and massive traffic will come to you pronto. 4. Be friendly online. Free website promotion means you need to be friendly to other webmasters. Why, you ask? So they can link you immediately. Establish contacts and never tire of link requests and exchanges. 5. Write an article. Say, your website is about your travel agency. Write an article about the perks of traveling or the hottest travel spots in the world. On the concluding paragraph, mention your website in passing. This article works as an advertorial and doubles as a free website promotion approach. 6. Just let the whole world know about your site. What is free website promotion without the word of mouth? Insert your website, its URL and features in daily conversations and let the good news spread from one mouth to another. 7. Make a banner ad. Make a banner ad for your site and ask another webmaster to do the same for his site. Then swap. 8. Take up a free website promotion course online. Yes, there are free website promotion tutorials. But don't you know that you can actually take a free website promotion course that can help you out further? Part of the free website promotion program is signing up for newsletters. When you make a website, you need not pay anything to promote it. You just read it. There is such a thing as free website promotion.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.